sprinkling and minor flooding is forecast. The preceding signal was a test of the new weather radio. All hazard warnings originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an occurring Mississippi listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following. The most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on KIH52 in Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.governor/NWR. Here is the forecast for the